What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we got something special for the three. We are about to make these tail lights look a lot better, not with LEDs, but of course some special villain wrap that I got from BROKENREALMZ. Now I know to you guys it probably doesn't look like much, it just looks like, okay, just a see-through piece of wrap. But no, there's more to it. You guys should probably be able to see it now. You kind of see that reflective, rainbow reflective like hexagons throughout the wrap. That's exactly what it's gonna be like on the tail lights. And of course, as usual, we got everything that we need. We got the wrap, we got the heat gun, we got a little spray bottle full of water, we got a squeegee, and of course we got ourselves a little razor. Alright guys, so we just did tail light number 1, so check it out. What do you guys think? Let me give you guys a perspective here. There it is without the film and with the film. Now you see how crazy that actually looks? Now you guys can actually see. I definitely could have put it on a lot better. Good thing we have like a lot of wrap left, so even after I do these I can always redo them if I feel like it. But for the meantime, we already did number 1, so alright guys, so we just did it, so check this out. Now this side was done a lot better than this side. This side, it was like my first time trying it, so I wasn't too sure on how to do it that well. But as you can see, this side looks absolutely incredible. Definitely isn't perfect on either side, but it definitely turned out a lot better than I thought it would be. I'm super proud of how they turned out. This one, I'm probably gonna redo it off camera. Yeah, but this side I'm definitely gonna keep it because it's a lot better than this side. This side, you can still see those edges, so I'm probably gonna redo it and try and clean it up. So, if you guys do want this type of hologramic, I think it's called like hologramic something wrap, then be sure to go to the Instagram BROKENREALMZ and buy one there. But anyway guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Nice, short and sweet, straight to the point, just to get something out for you guys this week. And drop down in the comments down below if you like or dislike this film wrap. Let me know what you guys think. Peace out, stay humble, stay blessed, peace.